Today we are going to create our first Python program.
Let's create a folder on our desktop, right? Python lab. So I created a folder on my desktop and I call it as Python lab. So now what I actually want to do is I want to go to my Visual Studio Code and I want to open the folder Python lab. So now what we want to do is we want to create our first program. Yeah, we want to create our first Python program. On top, there's a small icon. If you click that icon, it will actually create a new file. And I want to call that file as 01 helloworld.py. And what we're going to do, we're actually going to type Python. We're going to type here print hello world. Okay. And what you must do is you must actually save the file. Okay, every time if you don't want to save, what you actually can do, you can actually activate this auto save mode. Yeah, you can click this, then it will become auto save. So every time you do coding, it will be saved automatically, right? Now what I want to do, I want to go to view terminal. I'm in the terminal now. So the terminal is actually nothing but the command line, yeah, the command prompt, yeah, command prompt. So what we want to do, we want to run this 01 hello world.py in the terminal. So we're going to type Python 01 hello world.py and it produced the output hello world. So what we managed to do is we managed to create our first hello world Python code and we managed to save the Python code. We managed to write a simple statement in Python and then we save the file and we execute the file and we actually see the output. Okay, fantastic. So now what we want to do, okay, we want to discuss about what we have done in this particular program. Okay, print is a built-in function in Python to call or execute a built-in function in Python. You have to mention the function name followed by open bracket, close bracket. Sorry, the semicolon not necessary. If you want Python to print something in the console, you can pass that, whatever that you want to print. So in this case, we wanted Python to say hello world. We wanted Python to say hello world. So we pass hello world as an argument. Why the hello world is enclosed with a double quote? We will see that in the next program.